2, 3, 4.
Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, welcome, because you're... Let's get serious here. Excuse me for a second. What the hell? Okay? What the hell? 2,000 subscribers and 3,000 subscribers in a couple of days. That's amazing, okay? I came here to say thank you for 2,000 subscribers, but we are currently on 3,000. Just... Whoa! Do that intro. Anyway, so a couple of things I would like to say is obviously thank you, and number two, I want to say numbers quite a lot because I've been lost, because I've never had a video go viral like that, or something I'd want to know as a new YouTuber is like, what is the notification max? It's quite interesting because it's something someone else maybe won't notice or don't care about, but I care about it. What is the max notification number you can get? So on the YouTube app, in the app drawer on your Android phone, for example, over the app would be, the max number is 999 plus. It doesn't go any further than that. That's the roof, it stops there. And then in the YouTube studio, 100 is the max number, and the YouTube app, it's 9 plus. It's a max. I was going higher than that. Stops. So yeah, that's about my interesting vibes, because I've never had a video go so crazy. I've quite a small channel, so please, there is quite a bit of randomness going on here, mostly about cars. And then because it's so small, I've never seen analytics like that. My analytics is through the bloody roof. Like, the roof is wind right through it. Okay, sub counts, views, everything through the roof. First of all, that dude's a legend. A bloody fucking legend now. That old got some cojones. I'm gonna say that word, cojones. Sorry guys, I had to move my operation because super noisy. Yeah. Honest, because oh. Anyway, so yeah, while I'm here, let's do one thing. On this page, put up a video about the Bajaj Qute, which I kinda I like it in the sense of I would definitely drive. Would I own one? No. How would I drive it? Hell yes. I would take that thing for a bloody skit all over the place, okay? For a nice old drive all over the place. But I do a couple of things to it, because I think it's kind of like quirky and stuff, but it's not cool, man. It's not cool. It's not cool. I'm back again. It got quiet. Anyways, so there's a few things I do to it. Let's just break down quickly what it is. That first of all, I think it's not worth it for the money. Any car pretty much. You can get VW Golfs, you can get Hondas, old Honda Ballards, you can get even like older Daihatsus, a Terion, or even a Terios or something like 65, 2,000 and more. You can get like an SUV, which is crazy. Yes, and they're fairly reliable and very practical. Whereas with Bajaj, it's just the only storage space you have is the behind the seat, and you have in the boot in front. The boot's in front because it's the rear engine. It's like a Porsche. It's like a Porsche. But yeah, it's only got a 200cc engine, which yeah, isn't a lot of punch. It's apparently 9.odd kilowatt, 9.7 kilowatt, I think, which is nudging into the double digits, just almost, but not exactly there. Also, a couple of facts about that car. The spare wheel sits under the dashboard, so does the jack. So the jack and the spare wheel is in front of your feet, your legs. So you get knocked, you in the back boot doesn't open, so you can't put things from outside in while lifting up the boot. That black part where the window is in is permanently fixed with screws, so you have to put the stuff in the back seat. So a delivery vehicle, you'll have to use the doors to put the things in the back, because even if you put the seat flat, you can put a lot of boxes in there. I've seen pictures of like stuff to take a lot of boxes. So delivery guys, perfect. You work for Uber Eats, you work for Take a Lot, you work for Mr. Delivery, get it. It's perfect. So I'll do a couple of things just to mod it out. Number one, I would modify that engine, because it's a very simple engine, so breathing mods on there works perfectly. Just an air filter alone will push you over like 10, and then maybe in an exhaust will push you like 11, maybe 11, 12, which is much more than you got. So percentage wise, it's like 10% gains. What? 10% gains, that's crazy. And then I would drop it. I would seriously drop it. It does have coil springs. I would drop it. I would put a rim on there. It's a 4-bolt pattern, not a 3-bolt pattern like on the Renault Quid. if it's like a 4x100 or whatever, dude, your options are limitless. Reps and reps. Just go to Shabba Max, he'll sort you out with the reps. He'll just get you the yellow like rotiforms, whatever you want. Tuck it nice, and then just here's a picture of one that's like edited, nicely tucked in there. And then I would spray all the bumpers. I see they all come with black bumpers, not body colored bumpers, but the launch car was body colored bumpers. So spray the bumpers, spray the mirrors, spray the handles, and they look pretty much like this. Pretty cool, I think. So drop rim, look like that. Oh, tint the windows, because that's fishbowl. It's like fishbowl, super fishbowl. Tint the windows, put a lip on it, and chef's kiss. I would drive that any day of the week, just because it's super light on petrol. And yes, it's gonna sound like a bat out of hell. Bat sound. Oh, like a bat out of hell. That's pretty much my thoughts. And again, thank you guys for watching. Thank you so much for the support. We have pushed over 3,000 subscribers, something I thought I'd only reach like next year or something. But hey, that's what a video that gets a lot of views gets you. Now we know, at least. Now we need to push for viral videos. Comment down below what kind of ideas you guys got. Let's keep it PG also, okay? So yeah, I'm out. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.